everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add TRC20 tokens to Trust Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Trust Wallet right over there and simply go to your search bar, or you can directly go to your add tokens option in the bottom and go to search bar and type in Tether, where you will get the USDT from the correct network. You have to make sure to type in that, so you will get the search results accordingly. You will get this kind of search results from over here. Go ahead, choose the one. Once you're tapped on it, you're going to go back to your home section where your tokens will be listed, which will be the one that just added. Now go ahead, tap on that, and again tap on receive, where you will find this little QR as well. You can share this with your friends who will simply send you the token to you, or you can simply copy that address and send them as well. Otherwise, this is how simply you can add a token to your Trust Wallet. So hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.